Hello Taurus, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 17th August to 23rd August 2020. It's a general reading. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. So Taurus, looking into your general energies, you have 8 of Pentacles and Control. So you might be working very hard in order to achieve some sort of an intellectual power or an authority over your colleagues or your peers. You could also be working very hard to know the truth behind a certain situation. It could be something where you also could take an expert advice, but you are right now working really hard, investigating, finding what is the truth behind a situation. What can you do to make things improve? And you are very controlling. You are cutting straight to the point and you are actually being very authoritative in your approach. On the love front, you've got 3 of Wands and you've got trust. So here, Taurus, you might find love when you enroll for a new class, or while you're traveling, or if you're starting something new, like a new job or something, and you might find someone who is very creative, who is very balanced, who has a very soft approach towards you. This could also mean that the other person or you are taking a lot of time to understand or think through a proposal, while the other person is taking you as their knight in shining armor, and or they would want to be your knight in shining armor, and they think that you have the potential to be their partner, which is again really nice, but you want to take some time to think things through. On the work front, Taurus, I feel that you could be traveling this week for your work, and you could feel really complete. You could actually find some answers to your questions that you've been looking through. You are actually having a very balanced approach. You are exhibiting a lot of creativity that is actually giving you a sense of purpose, and you could be returning to this work of place after a break, and this is something that gives you a lot of happiness. This is something that gives you a lot of peace and mental clarity, where you want to be, what you want to do in life, and this is something that will be the cause of happiness for you this week, Taurus. On the health front, you've got 9 of Cups and you've got 7 of Swords. So 9 of Cups and 7 of Swords both indicate here that you could have some issues with blood circulation in your legs. You could have some sort of a leg injury, or you could be suffering from varicose veins, or something to do with your legs. You could have injured your foot. You could have injured your leg. Could have had an ulcer in your leg. Could have you could be wearing heels, and you could have shoe bites with that, but it is something to do with your legs this week that you will have to be very careful, Taurus. Other than that, the week looks absolutely great for you. You are finding whatever you want to. Your love life is pretty sorted as well. Let's look at some of the advices that we have for you. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help you bring together. And an advice from Archangel Gabriel is congratulations, you did it. So definitely something that you've been wanting, something that has been on your mind, you are figuring it out, you are actually finding the truth, you are actually getting whatever you want. And you seem very balanced, and you seem to have extremely harmonious relationships at your workplace. So Taurus, this is your weekly prediction. Again, one more advice would be to network and socialize a lot for your work, because that is something that can bring you a lot of benefits. So Taurus, this is your weekly predictions. If this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, share Ruhani Guidance, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.